Namaste. Today let's explore one of the most exciting topics in Samskritam grammar, Vibhaktis. We'll see what Vibhaktis are and break them down with easy examples. In Samskritam, nouns change their forms based on their role in a sentence. These changes are called Vibhaktis. For example, if we say Rama reads a book, Rama is the subject. But if we say I gave a book to Rama, Rama's role has changed to a receiver. And in Samskritam, the form of the noun Rama changes based on these roles. That's where Vibhaktis come in. Imagine nouns putting on different uniforms depending on the work they're doing, like a doctor, a pilot, or a teacher. Each Vibhakti tells us the noun's job, whether it's the subject, the receiver, or even the location. There are 7 Vibhaktis. Let's say them one by one. This is a table which tells you what is the name in English as well as its meaning. Ramaha patati. Rama reads. Lakshmanaha Ramam vadati. Lakshmana speaks to Rama. Ramena saha aham pashyami. Along with Rama, I see. Ramaya pustakam dadami. I gave a book to Ram. Ramat lekhanim swikaromi. From Rama, I take a pen. Etat Ramasya griham asti. This is Rama's house. Rame uttama vyavaharaha pashyami. I see excellent behavior in Rama. Hey Rama, Bhavan katham asti? O Rama, how are you? Dhanyavadaha.